Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to delve into the word handkerchief. It's a term that's associated with personal hygiene and practicality. Let's get started. Meaning. A handkerchief is a noun that refers to a small, usually square piece of fabric, often made of cotton or linen, that is carried in one's pocket or purse. Handkerchiefs are used for various purposes, including wiping one's nose, hands, or face, and are often carried for convenience and personal hygiene. Pronunciation. Pronounce handkerchief as ʻhæŋ.kər.tʃɪf, with the emphasis on the first syllable, hand. Use in a sentence. 1. He reached for his handkerchief to wipe his brow on the hot summer day. 2. Carrying a clean handkerchief is a practical way to maintain personal hygiene. Synonyms. Synonyms for handkerchief include hanky, pocket square, kerchief, or ʻhæŋ. Conclusion. Handkerchiefs are simple yet practical items that serve various purposes, from maintaining personal hygiene to offering a quick solution for unexpected spills or tears. Thanks for joining us, and may your handkerchief always be at hand when you need it.